Hey, it's Gina and Amanda here from Chit Chat Griddle, and today we're going to be making chicken and shrimp fried rice with black bean asparagus. We're live. You're live. Oh, good. All right, we're back. All right, Amanda made the drinks.
We're starting out strong.
All right, guys, we're going out to the griddle. Sorry, we had to start the live a couple times. We have cold white rice. We have chicken, shrimp, onion. The onions are for the asparagus and the mushrooms. And then we have the frozen vegetables with bean sprouts for our fried rice.
Love bean sprouts.
Okay, the secret to a really good fried rice is to not use oil. Use butter and a boatload of garlic. A boatload. Boatload of garlic, you guys. So this is garlic butter like you see at Musachi's. She's whipping up the eggs and we're gonna cook our meat. And Amanda's putting on her food grade gloves. All right. Amanda's a rock star. This may or may not contain vodka. Okay. All right. Let's move our fancy drinks. All right, we got some shrimp. We have garlic butter that we're spreading over the grill. This side is not heated on purpose because we're going to move some of this to the side. Yeah. So let's divide that in half. Let's put...
That smells good.
All right. I got to remember that I'm videoing.
I think it needs to be up a little bit more.
It is up. Amanda, there's no fire. I think we're out of gas. Ah! All right, this could happen to you guys. You could run out of gas.
Don't run out of gas.
So Amanda is hooking up the new gas, propane. Twist! Twist it!
Gina,
you could do it! I believe in you! Twist! You got it! Oh my god. Amanda! What the heck?
all the things. That's hilarious.
Okay, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
It's going.
Give me something
You
to
can't
hit.
hit a gas tank.
Oh, you're right.
I mean, I'm no safety expert, but...
All right, we're going to let this heat up a little bit. This is live, so there's no
commercial breaks.
No commercial breaks.
No commercial breaks.
So Amanda's warming up the butter and garlic.
It warms up fast, though. I can see it already.
It sure does. Tina said she could smell it. She said yummy. Oh, the people are talking.
Oh, that's awesome. Tina.
Amanda, do you have any spatula tricks?
Tina out there in the front yard.
Do you have any spatula tricks?
Do I have any spatula tricks?
All right, we're grilling up the chicken.
I apologize, but I do not have any spatula tricks.
All right, so we're going to grill up the chicken on one side, and we're going to grill up the shrimp on the other side. All right, that's what we're going to do first. We're making chicken fried rice and shrimp fried rice. It's very garlicky because we love garlic.
Right here.
Yep, and we're going to throw down this shrimp.
Throw down. Oh, I do have a spatula trick. You use separate ones for seafood because it's gross.
Amanda doesn't like seafood, but
I don't.
My family does.
Yes. But that's what happens. You got to cook for what they like. My kids love it.
Yep. Okay. All right. So we'll listen to that. All right. So the trick is we prefer to use butter instead of oil for the fried rice. Garlic butter.
And butter.
Garlic butter. Okay. It's National Tequila Day. Oh, we're drinking vodka.
Okay.
What the heck?
When's National Vodka Day? Can you look that up for me?
Yeah, we
Google
want
it.
to know when National Vodka Day is. Oh, don't lose those shrimps.
Oh, don't lose the shrimps.
These were actually big ass prawns that I cut. I actually cut them.
So what's the difference between shrimp and prawns? Is it just that shrimp are smaller?
I don't know.
Because they're called shrimp.
Really? October 4th October 4th is National Vodka Day.
Really?
Yes.
You know what?
I like how you're
mom will
cooking
be
with one drink in that. Put that
My mom
you're
will be
cooking with
so-
a drink in your hand.
my mom will be so happy. October 4th is her birthday, and she does like that.
Oh, good. All right, so we're gonna let this cook up.
It is pretty. I will give it that.
It is very pretty.
It's very pretty colored.
And your chicken's looking really good.
It's looking good. Good. It'll cook a little bit more with the rice and
All
stuff.
right, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start some of our vegetables right here. Can you hold this?
Slide it over. Slide it over.
When I throw this down, I'm gonna get you some butter, okay? All right, this is just frozen vegetables. All right, guys.
Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. Hi, Frank.
And I'm cooking these just for decoration on the side. These are how big how the prawns were.
Oh, yeah.
That's how big they were. All right, and we're throwing down some butter for the vegetables.
Butter for the vegetables. What was that?
That was a little bit of green onion
Green onion.
for the garlic.
Garlic. You can never have too much garlic.
We love garlic. It does burn, so you gotta be careful. Right? Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the recipe.
You put more butter in the rice.
Yep. Amanda made a boatload of rice. So a boatload. We're cooking enough for 2 families, so normally you would use 3 to 4 cups for a family of 4 to 5. So
I believe a boatload is equal to about 7 or 8 cups.
yes, 7 8.
How you doing, Melanie?
Melanie, we went live for you.
For you, miss.
All right, we need a little bit of butter. We gotta break up that rice.
Lots of butter.
Get that butter off of there. Incorporating the vegetables, mixing it in.
Eat it. Having a rough day?
Doesn't that look good? How about I throw some soy sauce in there?
The color is really nice.
Okay, I'm gonna throw some sesame oil.
We love sesame oil. We love it, but it's very strong.
Don't be shy.
Hey, you can fling your food across this grill.
Amanda likes to just.
This is great. You know when you're at home and you're worried about it getting all over the oven and flinging out of the pan? You don't have to worry about that right now.
No. This looks amazing. Alright. Do we have the vegetables equally incorporated, you think?
I think, I'm trying to break it.
Can you see?
I think so.
Alright, let's
have these.
Alright. So here we go. This is going to be for the shrimp.
So we make the shrimp for Mike because he does not eat meat.
He only eats fish.
Only eating fish.
Alright. So Amanda, grab your chicken and put it over there.
Alright, we're doing it.
I don't want to use my spatula because I'm the fish person.
Get out of here, fish. Here we go. Mixing up the chicken. I hope you guys can see this. I'm not very good at doing it and holding the video
And
at
I'll
the
let
same
me
time. Oops, I think I lost it.
Alright, I'm giving her some of the soy sauce, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce blend. And I'm putting some on the shrimp. Wait, get out of my shrimp. Hey. because that is a popular.
A little bit over.
All right, and I'm gonna go get
Soy sauce.
here's
Pretty
some
good.
soy sauce. Low sodium soy sauce. To give it a nice brown color. This looks amazing. Don't worry about the rice that's on the griddle. You clean that later. You need a little more soy
A
sauce.
little soy sauce.
Oh my god, this looks so good. You know what we forgot?
What?
That's really important.
Well, that goes
The
last.
freaking eggs.
You gotta have eggs and stir-fried rice. Mike eat eggs?
Yep. He does now.
You don't have a choice.
You should have cooked the eggs first. You know that. Let it cook it on the side first. Whew. See how that scrapes off so easy?
Mm-hmm. Alright, we're gonna let the eggs cook for a minute.
Alright, last but not least, sprouts.
Ooh, I love bean sprouts.
Alright. I am going to add a little oil to the sprouts. Alright. Why don't we just have the eggs for the chicken? Because Mike does not eat eggs. I realize. He doesn't.
Then in the chicken will go.
You really can't make fried rice without eggs, but in this case, we have to make an exception for our pescatarian family member. Alright.
Oh, Gina likes to show off her skills. Using 2 hands.
I'm going to get a tray for this. Asparagus still. And I don't like to cook, but the sprouts super cooked. I like them to be crispy.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. It's hard to videotape while you're cooking, huh?
It is. I hope it's not making anybody see that.
Everyone's getting dizzy, huh? Really?
Not really. Can you hold this for just a moment?
Yep. So good. Amanda, your family's gonna love that.
They better.
We like to put Yoshita's on it too as an afterthought. And some sriracha. Good old sriracha. Good old sriracha, right? And my onions and mushrooms. We like a lot of onions.
Yes. Onions are good.
And we do the black bean sauce at the very end.
So do you like your asparagus a little bit crunchy?
Yeah.
Or cooked all the way through?
I like it crunchy. You guys like your asparagus crunchy or cooked all the way? You guys let us know.
Have you ever had to grow asparagus?
No, have you?
We did, and we grew asparagus one time, and it's so funny because they literally grow up out of the ground like this. Just like one stalk here, one stalk there, and it's the funniest thing.
Really?
But they, once you pick them, they'll keep coming back.
So Amanda is scraping that side so I can spread it out even more. And I have some sesame oil. You guys, so good. So good. Skip a little more of that side?
Yeah, I gotta get something on there though. Put a little bit of water in there, it kind of loosens up all the stuff.
Can you put some water on my
it.
asparagus because it steams it a little?
Oh yeah.
There you go. All right, we need some garlic salt.
Oh, kind of is. All right, she's getting a tray because this stuff is done. Here we go. Costco trays, can't beat them.
Oh my word, this looks
That
so
looks
good.
so good. Oops, sorry guys.
Yeah, like, I didn't recognize him.
Like a homeless person.
You're live.
Those homeless people that ride the bikes.
Okay, so we lost our live because
We took the iPhone. It got a little...
the iPhone said it was too hot, so it turned off. So we have our chicken fried rice, our shrimp fried rice, and our black bean asparagus.
Doesn't that look amazing? So I'm going to scoop some of this up to take over to my kiddos.
Doesn't it look amazing, guys?
It looks so amazing. But I think that we need some forks.
So good.
So we can taste it.
Delicious. I don't have my glasses, so I don't know what people are saying. Okay, let me... Wait, we want to make sure we don't eat over the tray.
Okay, we're going to taste it.
Here, don't eat over the tray.
I'm not going to eat over the tray.
Here, let me put some in your dish.
Okay. That's enough.
Oh.
All right, we're going to taste it. Hi, Renee. Congratulations on all your weight loss, girlfriend.
Here.
Don't eat this after all that. She worked her butt off and lost a bunch of weight. Okay, here we go.
How is it? Good? Mm-hmm. Need sriracha, right?
Don't inhale it.
Don't inhale it, Amanda. Let's have Mike try it.
That's good.
All right, Mike, this is the shrimp. Mike is going to taste it. Does it taste like authentic fried rice?
Good stuff.
You like it?
Delicious. Thank you very much.
All right, guys.
Sprouts.
You do?
Yeah, that's a great addition.
The bean sprouts?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are good.
Thanks for watching, guys. We're definitely going to post another YouTube video after we edit a whole lot. Have a nice night. Say bye, Amanda.
Bye, guys.